So one of the biggest mistakes that I see YouTubers making, especially new ones, is they're chasing the wrong thing. They're chasing money. And I get it, right? You're creating videos in hopes of people watching. Maybe YouTube is going to pay you for ads. Maybe you're going to monetize through, I don't know, maybe you're going to promote other products. There's really something that a lot of people miss. And I wanted to cover that in today's video, that if you actually do this, you will be way more successful and the money will follow. So let's take a little walk and let's talk about this. So the big thing that I've realized, and I've been doing this now for over 15 years, and the biggest mistake that I see people making is they're just chasing the money. If we switch this and we chase something differently, and what I mean is something that is allowing you to show up without thinking to yourself that every video has to be monetized. Because the one important piece that a lot of people miss is, well, they miss the audience build. And here's what I mean. If you focused on impact, what do I mean by impact? If you focus on helping someone first and only focusing on the audience build, I call this like phase one. So this channel right now, this live video school, we're not monetizing it right now, or we want to make money eventually, but right now we're in the audience building phase. So all we're thinking about is how can we help someone? How can we change someone's life? And for me right now, it's about showing people that, like right now, I'm showing up here. I'm in actually Puerto Rico. I'm here with my wife, and I'm walking with a phone and my little Osmo 6 and my little lav mic, and I'm sharing a message. And this video is probably not going to make any money right now. What it will do is it will help build the audience. And that's really what we're focusing on. So I want you to think about this for a second. I want you to think to yourself, are you chasing the money or are you chasing the impact? If we can switch that, I promise you, I've been doing this a long time. I've built multiple 6-figure and 7-figure businesses on the back of this right here. This one thing that I wish someone would have told me years ago, because I was chasing the money, as everyone does when they start, right? It's like, I want to start doing this YouTube thing and be this YouTuber that makes a whole bunch of money and gets to, well, be in a place like this and shoot video and get paid for it. Now, I will say this video right here, you may look at it and go, well, Scott, why would you waste your time? Why would you waste your time showing up and not having a way to monetize or to make money? And the thing is, I know just from experience that if I can help you, I know that, well, my videos are gonna get more views. So even if you don't ever buy anything or go through an affiliate link, this video could get views that eventually could get monetized. You just watching it could help us get it monetized. So that's what I want you to be thinking. I want you to be thinking to yourself, how can I help someone? How can I make an impact? I'm going to be 52 years old in about a week. And I'll tell you what, I think differently now than I did when I was 25 years old. Now my son Scotty, who is also a contributor on this channel, he's 26. He right now, because I've been teaching him since he was little, is just help people. If you help people, and I know we've heard that it's a cliche, right? It's like, oh yeah, it just help people and good things will happen, good things will follow. Sure, Scott, but I got to pay the bills. But I'm telling you, if you're just focusing on the money, it's going to get frustrating and you're going to do things that you probably are not going to either feel good about or you're just going to be frustrated because you're going after the wrong method or the wrong strategy. So this message here today is to really share that. And also to share with you, like, you can do this, have fun. Like, I'm taking 10 minutes out of my day right now to shoot this. My wife and I are here celebrating our 30th wedding anniversary. And here I am in Puerto Rico, just hanging out. And this is a video that, I figured I would create to share this message and to share what I'm calling really chase impact versus chase money. And I'm telling you, if you do that, if you embrace the audience build, the audience will pay you. And it might not be, like I said, being paid from them actually buying a product of yours. It might not be that. It might just be them commenting and getting more engagement on your video. And if you get more engagement on your video, guess what happens? You're probably gonna get more views, because what does YouTube like? Engagement. So everything adds up. So by you watching this, you're paying me in a sense. Oh, I just hit the microphone. Hopefully that didn't do anything crazy. But you're paying me right now by you watching this. You're paying me with your time. And I so appreciate that. I truly, truly do. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. If we could just focus on that, if you can just focus on that, I want you to think about that. If you're right now YouTubing and maybe you're just starting, I want you to ask yourself, can you go a year without making any money on YouTube and just show up? Can you do that? I'll share one quick little story before we wrap this up. So about 18 months ago, I have a brand called Brand Creators. It's where I help e-commerce brands build brands. I know, it's all meta, right? It's like brand. But it's, what we do. That channel's almost at 100,000 subscribers. But in the last 18 months, I pivoted and started helping people in the Etsy world. And I made that switch. 18 months ago. And we added 75,000 subscribers since we made that switch. And that business has done mid six figures in revenue in 18 months. Now, I'm not saying that's gonna happen for you, and I'm not saying that it's easy, but I'm just showing you what I did was, for the first, I would say, 6 to 8 months, all that I did was focus on building the audience. How can I show up and share and help, answer questions? How can I do that and just show up? And in 18 months, it's doing pretty good. So with this live video school, I'm taking the same approach. And if I was you, I would take that approach as well. I would just try to be as helpful as possible and try to switch the mindset to where it's all about, I have to figure out a way to monetize. Because monetization will be there. We actually, right now, we had just made a little bit of money from live video school. And the way that we did it, we aren't monetized through YouTube yet. We're just not. We're not at the 4,000 watch hours yet. Almost, we're at like 3,300. So we're almost there. We're over the 1,000 subscribers. But we started to tell people about the equipment we're using. Like right now, I'm using the Osmo 6. If you want more about the Osmo 6, I'll link it up in the description. But we basically started telling people that we're using the Osmo 6. Since then, I think we've sold 4 or 5 through our affiliate link. And when you're able to sell a $150 piece of equipment, I think we got paid 11 bucks. So basically bought Scotty and I a cup of coffee, all right? But again, that can happen almost organically without you pushing anything, because right there what I did, I was like, hey, I'm using the Osmo right now. See how smooth this thing is? Man, it's such a nice little piece of equipment. And I packed it in my suitcase and actually my backpack, and I'll tell you what, here I am. iPhone, cinematic mode, got my Osmo. So yes, you can make money quicker. Not life-changing money, but you can validate that you're on the right track. And I'm not saying making money is bad at all. I don't. I think we have to. In order to help more people, we got to make more money. And you should be paid for your time. but there's different ways that you can get paid. And I think one of the ways is building the audience and having the audience watch your videos and comment on your videos, ask you questions. If you ask me questions, guess what you're doing? You're helping me understand what I can create next to help you. And if you do that, guess what? I'm probably gonna shoot a video. If it's a question that I think other people would benefit from, I'm gonna shoot that video, and then we are going to post it on the channel, and then you're going to be able to benefit from that. I'm gonna be able to benefit from it. And guess what? We're building a tight audience. And I mean tight by, it doesn't have to be big. It could be 1,000 people, all right? And if you don't believe me, I actually shot a video where I go through how YouTube changed and saved my life, really, and how I was able to take 1,000 subscribers and turn that into a 6-figure business. If you want to watch that, I'm going to go ahead and post it right there. Go ahead and watch that. It'll give you more of the backstory on how I turned 1,000 subscribers into my first 6-figure business. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.